Hey you guys, so this is Tamiya Robles from FixMyCreditNow850.com. I am doing another video showing some results. So today I was just simply updating a few of my clients' credit reports, checking for results, and he's actually finished. He's completed his services with me. So this particular client, if you can see here, he started with me September, which is, if you see the date here, it's December. This is September. So this is 3 months ago. I tell all my clients, give me a minimum of 90 days. But yeah, so he started 3 months ago and his Equifax score was 601, Experian was 585, TransUnion was 639. And as of today, December 4th, his score increased. He had a couple of deletions. It went up 32 points with Equifax, 23 with TransUnion, but as you can see, 96 points with Experian. So this is his current credit score. This is where we're at now. So I wanted to show you the deletions that he got. So I'm going to the results page. He didn't have a ton of stuff, but he's trying to purchase a house, and he had some heavy hitting items that needed to be removed, so he could purchase his home. So here he had portfolio recovery, that's a collection agency. He had a balance of $1,500. That was on his Equifax report, so I got that deleted. Then these two, the Capital One, he had a charge off for almost $3,000. That was on all three credit bureaus. That's a pretty heavy thing, hard hitting item. So I got that removed with all three credit reports. And now this one, Diamond Resorts, this was actually a timeshare that he had, and it went into collections. It was on Experian, and that got removed. I deleted it. So timeshares are actually pretty difficult to remove. It is under mortgages. That's how it was reported to the credit bureau as a mortgage that he didn't pay. So when it's collections, zero balance, because it's a sold debt. If you have any questions about collections and charge-offs, just a quick tip, anytime your debt gets sold to a collection agency, it should have a zero balance because another company paid for it. So this is the company that purchased it. They zeroed it out, but this was actually, believe it or not, $10,000 that he did not pay. So I got that deleted as well. So I just wanted to show some results. And now he is in a position to purchase a home. He's really excited about that. He's going to wait until next month to start looking, but he's good to go now. But yep, these are some results. Talk to you guys soon.